The importance of individual and communal interaction between the speaker and audience is that the speaker connects directly to the audience needs and that their concerns are being met or addressed. When this phase is delivered, the speaker has captured the audience attention. We can then confer that Maslow's hierarchy is relevant from the textbook and that human needs, ranging from very basic physiological needs to higher order psychological needs, such as the need for self actualization and self esteem, which is essential and awarded to the audience. Because it deals with a person's need for validation and confirmation of their achievements to self worth. This puts the responsibility on the speaker to make sure that the audience needs are being met and that the speaker is connecting to the audience by providing them with the tools for them to be engaged with what is being delivered. If no interaction is made between the speaker to the audience, then the speech is irrelevant to the audience needs. Also, the textbook Public Speaking and Civic Engagement states listeners are likely to be more emotionally involved when they believe that a speaker is advocating a proposal that will be of direct benefit to those whom they love, reduce their feelings of isolation, or promote the interests of the groups to which they belong. When discussing groups, we discuss the communal portion refers to a group of different individuals. Hence, the impact is more stressful to succeed and gain the audience attention, meeting their needs and beliefs. But therefore, it is essential to conduct interviews and a speaker to do a research or administer surveys before an event occurs. The speaker can then stay on this topic, discuss the issues, address and focus on the material that needs to be given to the audience. Once this is met, the cycle becomes complete, going back to Maslow's hierarchy of gaining the audience trust regarding their self-evaluation of what was presented. In addition to a sense of belonging, people want to feel that they have some self-worth and importance. As stated in the text, people like to feel that they control their destiny, that they are constantly under the thumb of other people, and that others recognize them as being good or important human beings. Thank you.